If you're trying to play Hytale on your PC or laptop but keep facing error failed to connect to server, then you're not alone. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as temporary server outages, network configuration problems, DNS issues, or firewall blocking. But don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple and effective solutions. Try them one by one, and hopefully one of them will get you back into the game. So, let's get started. First, go to Windows Search and type Windows Defender Firewall, then open it. Once it opens, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll down the list and look for Hytale. You'll usually see 3 entries with the Hytale name. Make sure all of them are allowed on both private and public networks. If any of them aren't checked, click on Change Settings and then enable the boxes for both private and public. In my case, they're already allowed, so I'll just click OK to apply the changes and close the firewall window. Now try launching the game and see if it works. If the issue is still there, let's move on to the next step. Go back to Windows Search, type View Network Connections and open it. If you're using Wi-Fi connection, double-click your Wi-Fi adapter. I'm using a wired Ethernet connection, so I'll double-click that instead. Then click on Properties, then find Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP4 and double-click it. A small window will open. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. This is Google DNS address. For the alternate DNS server, enter 1.1.1.1, which is Cloudflare DNS. Click OK, then click OK again to apply the changes, and close the Network Connections window. After that, try running the game again and check if the problem is fixed. If it's still not working, let's try the final method, which is resetting your network cache and flushing DNS. Go to Windows Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and run as administrator. When the Command Prompt window opens, type ipconfig/release and press Enter. This command will releases your current IP address assigned by the DHCP server and disconnecting your system from the network so it can request a fresh IP address. Now to request a new IP address type, ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This command will ask the DHCP server to assign a new IP address to your system, refreshing your network connection. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Finally, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once all the commands are completed, restart your computer to fully apply the changes. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the Hytale server connection issue for you. If it helped, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.